First open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scan now. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type exit and then press Enter. Now restart. If that didn't work, first open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Click on Download Tool now. Download the tool and run it. Press Yes. Press Accept. Press Next. Press Accept. Leave it as it is, if you want to keep all your files and programs. Press Install. Wait for the update to be installed.